A family had been hearing strange noises around their house that they couldn't explain for days. So they set up ring cameras around the property, and one night they captured something strange. Watch closely.
I don't remember his name.
A strange glowing orb is seen hovering in the room, and the moment it gets closer to the resting dog, the dog suddenly jumps up and quickly runs away, clearly startled by the orb. A few nights later, they capture the orb again moving around the same area. This time, after the orb disappears, they get a notification on their outdoor ring camera and see this. In the corner, a dark figure can be seen coming out of the house to the outside. Before heading back in, one of the dogs notices it and barks after it comes out, which seems to be what makes it go back inside. Till this day, they have no idea what's going on around their house, but continue to capture these strange sightings. Hiding. On June the 3rd of 2026, a woman named Elena captured something strange that she can't explain on her CCTV camera set up on her property. She lives in a farmhouse in a secluded area far away from other houses, but on one night she heard a loud sudden bang outside her house. So her husband went outside to check where it was, but as she reviews the camera footage, she sees this. At the top of the tree, a strange light object or thing is seen moving, almost blending in with the tree. And if you look closely, whatever it is also appears to hide behind the tree when the husband comes out to inspect the noise. Her husband didn't see or hear anything strange after going outside, but after seeing this on the footage, they are left with questions. Just what is this? And did it make the sudden noise they heard outside? Let me know what you think. Inside the RV. The following video was taken on June the 1st of 2026 and is the only video they have uploaded, although the uploader mentions it isn't the first time this has happened. He lives alone and it's late at night when he notices something deeply unsettling coming from his RV. Watch closely.
Vivo solo en mi casa, salí para afuera y la puerta se empezó a mover sola. Miren, 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 miren. Pero nadie me cree cuando les digo. Nadie me cree. No hay nadie ahorita ahí. Vi que se asomó algo y... ese es mi perro, pero mi perro no puede alcanzar a hacer eso. Se apagaron las luces y están prendidas.
As he zooms in, a dark shadow figure can be seen entering the RV before it comes back and peeks out as if it noticed the man recording. Then the door starts opening and closing on its own, and you can start to see the dark figure peek out again. Then the lights turn off, and right before the video ends, the figure can be seen through the top window, watching him before moving out of sight. Terrified, he doesn't dare to go inside to check. But, real ghost or not, you judge. Office work. On June the 7th of 2026, an office worker was working around 6:40 p.m. with another colleague just finishing up their shift before closing and leaving for the night. She gets up and goes to look at the report at the next desk along with her colleague when the security camera captures something chilling. The two co-workers are startled when the chair at the back started moving and even the table lifted slightly due to the force. After that, they ran out of the office frightened. Many viewers also noticed that in the mirror reflection, you can see the computer screen the girl was using also changed to another window. Even if the desk moved, something would have had to click on the mouse button as well as move it in order to change the screen displayed. After regaining their composure in the next room, one of the girls comes back to collect her things and get ready to leave for the night, even asking out loud for forgiveness, believing that the office is haunted. The girl being on edge gets startled easily after what happened. They also mention that this isn't the first time strange things have happened. So is the office haunted? I'll let you make your own conclusions. The trailer. A woman had recently lost her grandfather in 2024 and he owned a trailer and passed away inside it. But ever since his passing, it has been left abandoned and nobody lives there anymore. Now the girl and her friend decided to drive up to the trailer and check it out. But as they arrived, they heard a strange squeaking sound off the floor, which is the exact same sound it used to make when her grandfather would walk to his room. So they decided to stop and record it for a bit. Take a look.
You're out of that window on Grandpa's.
Dude, look.
I don't like it.
I see it. Right into the house.
Yeah, now I go pee.
You think somebody's in there?
No, like right into the house with the car. Oh.
As they record the window where they heard the noise, they suddenly panic after noticing a creepy pale face suddenly peeking out at them. Creeped out, they just up and leave the place. Now, no facial features can be made out on the face. However, just before they left, she took a picture. After comparing the picture to a photo of her grandfather, she couldn't believe the resemblance. So is her grandfather's soul somehow bound to his trailer where he once lived and died? Or is this something else entirely? Let me know. The reflection. This girl recently moved into a new apartment with her boyfriend but started experiencing strange paranormal events inside shortly afterwards. From the lights flickering to voices, knocking sounds and objects moving on their own. One night her boyfriend is at work when this happens.
Lo rompebolas se pone cada vez que llegamos a la sesión. Nadie entra a este placar. Ustedes 20 veces se los he mostrado, creo. No hay chance de que alguien entre acá. ¿Cómo les gusta romper las bolas? Es increíble.
She checks the closet where the knocking sounds are coming from, but there's nobody there. Later on, she's cooking a pie when she starts hearing noises in the other room.
Y estoy sola. No hay nadie. Miren. Literalmente no. Qué pesado, hermano. Qué ganas de romper las bolas que tiene.
All the cutlery hanging starts moving and clattering against each other. On another night, she's returning home late with her boyfriend when they see something unsettling through their window.
Recién llegamos a la sesión y en la pieza, la cual estaba apagada, está las luces LED prendidas y no sé si alcanzan a ver esa silueta, sombra, no sé qué carajo es, pero hay alguien parado en la pieza y estamos literalmente nosotros dos acá. Miren, para que vean que de verdad no hay nadie, subimos lo más rápido que pudimos y no hay nadie en la casa.
What looks like a dark figure can be seen on the left side of the window, but the moment they enter the room, there's nothing there. Nor is there any object in view that could possibly create that shape from the angle it's in. The following night, she's watching TV in bed, when their bedroom security camera captures something horrifying. Watch closely.
Llegar como que ya con eso. No, me dice, mira, esto es algo serio, tengo que hacerlo. Bueno, adivina dónde terminó.
In the reflection of the mirror pointing right towards her bed, a dark shadow figure can be seen moving before quickly vanishing. But there doesn't appear to be anything seen moving in the room at the same time. Because of this, they stick a camera on both sides watching the mirror and the windows. When one of them captures this. A dark figure appears once again, this time in the reflection of the window. Keep in mind that their apartment is well above ground floor, so there couldn't be someone outside the window. But as always, I'll let you be the judge. Devil's Cauldron. A man by the name Tech Rax went to explore a natural hot spring in the Nevada desert known as Diana's Punch Bowl, but is more commonly known by its ominous nickname, the Devil's Cauldron. While there, he decides to conduct an experiment.
We're gonna use a drone to take this iPhone up and drop it into the hole.
His plan was to attach a phone to a drone with a fishing line so he can reel it down and test its durability, while also taking a look what's down there. After his first try, nothing strange happens, so he hits record again and decides to lower it deeper, only to be horrified of what he captures.
So again, it's fully working, it is on. I'm gonna hit record again on this iPhone 11. Ooh, that was close.
What sounds like tormented screams are heard coming from deep within the Devil's Cauldron, which weren't heard the first time.
So I wanted to include this one little segment here as well, guys. I noticed after listening to the audio of the last drop test that went into the water, the audio sounded pretty eerie, and I wanted to include kind of the unaltered version here. So I have the clip here. It was 2 minutes and 40 seconds. And I edited it, you know, for the actual video. Because it's just a lot of talking, and then the drone is flying. And then I'll show you guys the actual drop here. And then right there, you could hear, it definitely sounds like some yelling. It's really weird, guys. I don't know what to think of it. Especially since the first dip there was no noise at all. And then the recording actually stopped right here, which is also really weird. But I just wanted to show that, guys, as proof. Like, I didn't edit the audio or anything.
Some people believe it was a technical issue due to extreme heat, as the temperatures range from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to over 200. However, local legends say that indigenous tribes viewed the Devil's Cauldron as a spiritual void for great spirits and lost souls. So given the look of this steep hole and its name, the Devil's Cauldron, and hearing the collective screams that sounds like people in agony, what do you think it could be? Cat senses. Jack lives in an old 1920s house and also has a lot of old antique items and collectibles. One day he suddenly hears his cats meowing strangely and crashing into the bedroom door to get his attention. Knowing that this is unusual behavior for his cats, he pulls his phone out to record.
Right guys, I'm putting the phone out. These have been meowing like crazy by the bedroom door and like crashing into it as if trying to get my attention. What is it? What you want? Something going on? Hey? Hey? Come on. What's going on? What is it, guys? Whoa, it's cold in here. Hey, what is it, buddy? Oh, what the hell? Oh my god. Yep, good idea. What the hell was that? Hello? Is anything in here? Hello? Show yourself. What? Are you doing this? Oh my god. There's like a wind. Oh my god, what is that? What is that? The room is so friggin' cold as well. Come here, guys. Come here, guys. What? Look, it's swinging. I have not been near it. There's nobody else here. I'll show you as best I can. What? None of this makes any sense. How can this stuff be happening? What fell? What is that? What?
His cats seem to meow a lot, like they are trying to tell him something. Then a paper on the table flies off and a strange wind is seen blowing the leaves of the flower. But as he turns around, there's nothing there that could be causing it. Then he hears another meow and a bang, then finds the chandelier moving on its own, before one of the cats gets startled by something falling by itself. So just what did the cats see? Nursing home. Madeline works as a certified nursing assistant at a hospital that provides hospice care. Most of the patients are elderly people who are no longer able to take care of themselves or require extensive support due to some of their illnesses like dementia. Madeline works the night shift and is documenting a strange occurrence for her partner to see. One of the call lights in a room is turned on for the third time. The call light is the button patients press when they need assistance. However, there was nobody staying in this particular room, but she still has to go and turn it off. This is what she captured.
Alright, it's just for documentation. Proof to show my babe when I get home. This is the third time. See that bathroom light going off? This is the third time in my 12-hour shift. Mind you, empty room. I'm so fucking scared right now, I swear to God, though. No one wanted to come down with me, fucking assholes. Oh, hell no. I'm so scared to go in there. I gotta ask my coworker to watch me. Okay, watch me go in this room, please. I don't want to go in there by myself. I'm scared. Watch me go in there, okay? Oh, this old lady. Nobody. I know, but watch me, because I'm scared. Ain't nobody in here. Call light's up there.
A ghost?
Genuinely scared, she calls another co-worker to watch her as she enters the room, as if she has experienced something strange inside before. As she goes to stop the call light, she sees nobody there, but a faint voice can be heard.
Ain't nobody in here.
A disembodied voice is heard whispering, "Help me," which doesn't seem to be a coincidence considering the fact that nobody is currently staying in this room, and the call light has gone off 3 times, which is literally a way for patients to call for help. Then suddenly this voice says "help me" as she enters the room. So could it be the voice of a previous patient who passed away inside this room? We may never know. If you have any video recommendations, you can send them over to depthsofdespairbusiness@gmail.com or tag us on TikTok at depthsofdespairyt. Music box. In the following video, a woman is home alone sitting in her room when she suddenly hears a music box go off in the house.
I'm home by myself. No, I don't think so. Tula, what was that? Oh, no. No, because I'm about to sit on the porch still calling it, so absolutely not.
As she gets closer, a voice says she's here. Then the music just stops. She looks around momentarily to find the source, as she's never heard that music box before. Freaked out, she just up and leaves the place. But real ghost or not, I'll leave the final judgment to you. Now in this next one, a girl's horse sensed imminent danger in the woods. You're gonna want to watch this video. Trust me, you haven't seen a video like this. Just click the thumbnail on screen to watch this video now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you over in the next one.